Hey, what's up guys, I'm back with another video. So in the last video I said I was going to come back when this was all finished, but I am just going to basically just video this whole thing, well, me finishing this, because got this pretty much done, got the drive shafts in, transfer case, and then I got all of the interior done, got the dash, got parts in there, got the decal for the radio, the word Bronco, the horn cover, and the speedometer. So got all that in. So this is what it looks like all in. Got the doors, the doors finished and the windows done. So the inside is blue, but then the outside is chrome, quote unquote chrome. So I got the word Ford on the back. Looks nice. Got the spare on the back. And you come around, it's on both sides, but just going around it. So Bronco on both sides, 302. Got the turn signal on the front, headlights. Haven't done the actual word Ford up here. But this is what I have right now. There are a couple more decals like the lock on both doors, and can't really think of any right now. License plate. So, and then that would really be it. And then I can put some decals on the windows if I want. But here I have the canopy all done with the chrome. Put that on, it lines up nicely. The hood, like I said, bubbled up like the bottom. So looks like a finished Bronco, minus it not being on the chassis. So I got this piece. I just need to put it in once I get the body on. And the exhaust, still haven't painted that. Got the one hose here that needs to connect from the engine to the radiator, and then this, which still needs to be painted, and this is the license plate that goes onto the back right here. But I'm just taking things one at a time. So yeah, right now I will be painting the exhaust, and then I will come back once I got it all in, and then I will finally merge the two. So once again, see you in a sec. Alright, so I have the exhaust back. It looks nice. So now it is time to actually put it in the car. So, you know, I'll do a speed run through that. Should be pretty easy because these sides are pretty easily shown. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so I got the exhaust done. Looks pretty clean and nice. So now it is time to merge the two, and that should be pretty easy. So let's get to it. So I have finally finished the model. I have it under here, so I'm not showing it just yet. But I got everything on, all the decals, like the license plate and everything. So here it is. So it turned out pretty good. I got all the front decals. The engine, that turned out really good. I like that decal right there. Caution, fan. Couldn't tell. But got everything else in here. Battery painted. All the other stuff painted. So then we move on to the back here. And got the decal for the word Ford. It's pretty good. It molded around the letters, so that's good. Got all the brake lights and everything here. And since there wasn't any decal for the chrome, I just took a silver Sharpie and did it all the way around. So got all the rear bumpers on as well, or the bumpers, front and rear. And then the license plate. There were two different ones. The other one was like a regular newer one, and it said Baja. Didn't do that one. So also you can see that we have the windows with the frame, and since I have one, I was looking at it. From the inside you can see the body color, but then from the outside it's chrome. So once again I just took the Sharpie and chrome, made it look chrome. Got the windshield wipers here, nice interior. Got the dash. I did put a little black on it because it was a little too white. So then you got the spare tire, sorry. Got the spare tire on there, looks nice. Opens and closes, you can take it off. And then you can put the top back on. And I put those little American flags on the top, on both sides. Alright, so anyway, just get a look at the bottom now. So this is a look from the bottom, like I said. Got all the blue under there, the black. Got the exhaust pipes, the transmission, transfer case, leaf springs, shocks. This truck turned out very nice. And to get the wheels to be a little darker than what they should be, I just took some of my black paint, but put the brush in it, and then got the brush a little wet. So and it turned out like a good looking truck. And now I get to just put it with all my other models that I have done. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe for more. Peace.